Welcome back to a brand new video. The project we're going to talk about in this video is called Chirpley. This is a platform that connects nano and micro influencers with brands and sponsors. Now, the platform has an awesome utility. They do have their native token that we're going to discuss. We're going to discuss its potential. We're going to discuss overall potential of this market or the market this project is tapping into. So make sure they stick until the end to find out all the information about it. But anything that I'm going to say, even though I believe it has a true potential, but still anything that I'm going to say is not going to be an investment or financial advice. I'm going to give you guys all the links that will be in the description, so you'll be able to do your own research. So make sure that you do that. And yeah, let's get right into it. Now, we already have gotten the main introduction of Chirpley. It is an online marketplace that connects nano and micro influencers with brands and sponsors. It is basically the first fully automated peer-to-peer platform of its kind, which uses artificial intelligence, machine learning, and blockchain technology to streamline the influencer marketing process. Now, first of all, what we're going to talk about here is the audience or the market that this platform is tapping into, which of course is pretty specific and bold. It is the influencer marketing market. Now, if you take a look at the chart of every year how big of an industry it is, you will see an exponential rise, and I'm talking billions of dollars annually. You'll see an exponential rise in the amount of it. And it is expected that by 2030, this value of this, the value of this industry is anticipated to reach $143 billion. Now, that's a pretty huge industry, and Chirpley is tapping into this market. So I think that talks enough about the potential of the market itself. Now we just need to realize, does Chirpley has the capacity or the potential to actually utilize this market? Right now, there are not a lot of competitors, not a lot of platforms that are performing their services in this area. We're still relying on traditional influencer marketing services, and mostly the influencers that are being targeted by brands and sponsors, they're basically used, really big influencers. But what they don't know, and this is proven through research, that the micro and the nano influencers, basically people who do not have a big audience, but they do have capability to make awesome content, they're the one that are actually proving to be more influential to the people because they're more closer to people. So this platform, it enables end-to-end automated influencing campaigns, which basically eliminates the need for influencers and marketers and agents to negotiate and select each other manually, which is a tiresome process. Believe me, I do this, and it's really tiresome. You have to attend so many meetings, you have to discuss so many things to come up with an agreement, so it's pretty tiresome. Now, Chirpley, it makes it really easy for small influencers to connect with brands and sponsors that are, perfect fit for their niche. So not only that it helps influencers, but it will also help companies or brands to reach to influencers. This basically makes the marketing campaigns more effective. Now, Chirpley applies cutting-edge technology to speed up the matchmaking process or deal making, price setting, and campaign launching, which basically allows marketers to set up one-click influencer marketing campaigns that can result in increased sales and earnings. Now, Chirpley is laying foundation for the first completely autonomous and decentralized platform based on blockchain technology and the Chirpley token, which is the native token. We are going to talk about its potential and where it gets used in other information about the tokenomics, so make sure that you keep on watching. Now, this feature ensures transparency and security throughout the transaction process for both influencers and the brands. Overall, Chirpley aims to revolutionize the influencer marketing industry by taking nano and micro influencer marketing to the next level. Now, the platform is expected to change the lives of small influencers by providing them with a seamless and efficient platform to connect with potential sponsors and brands, which is the hardest thing to do. For marketers, it's really hard to connect to influencers. They actually have to hire agents to give them a list of influencers in that particular niche. And for influencers, it is really hard to reach brands and other companies. Chirpley basically connects them together and provides all the, this amazing platform and efficient platform to execute the processes. Now, we do have a lot of benefits that Chirpley provides for the influencers, which include, and you can see it on the website itself, free and easy access to brands, businesses, and sponsorships. Basically, Chirpley helps nano and micro influencers to connect with brands and sponsors, which we already discussed. Basically, the influencers that are a perfect fit for their niche. This means that influencers can access a wide range of opportunities without having to pay for any services or subscription to the marketing agencies. And then marketing power to maximize their earnings. So by connecting with brands and sponsors on Chirpley, nano and micro influencers can leverage their marketing power to maximize their earnings. They can negotiate fair compensation for their services, and they can increase their income by participating in more campaigns. Now after that, it says specialized support to improve their quality and effectiveness as a micro influencer. Now Chirpley provides specialized support to help micro influencers improve the quality and effectiveness of their campaign. This support includes training, guidance, tools to help influencers improve their content, engagement, and overall effectiveness. And lastly, the chance to become a full-time professional influencer. Now again, Chirpley provides this amazing platform that helps the nano and micro influencers to build their brand and reputation as influencers. Now through this platform, influencers get the opportunity to take part in more campaigns, which actually helps them grow and get more followers, which can eventually lead them to become full-time influencers if they are making a decent living out of it. Now we're going to talk about the token and its potential. Now the platform uses a deflationary model to promote the use of its native token, which is Chirpley, and to provide benefits to both influencers and the token holders. Now when a brand or sponsor uses Chirpley to launch a marketing campaign, they pay a handling fee of 10% on top of their chosen budget. If they choose to pay with Chirpley token, they receive discount on these fees, which is obviously what everyone would want to get if they are going to use this platform or this service. Which basically means that the Chirpley token will be getting traded more and more. The influencer receives their payout minus the 10% handling fee, which is used to fund token buybacks. Specifically, 20% of the total handling fee is used to buy back Chirpley tokens from the market and then burn them, which reduces the total supply of the tokens. And we know what that happens. It increases its demand and it increases its value. Now the remaining 80% of the handling fee flows back into the ecosystem for marketing, development, and user rewards. That means that the fee is used to promote the platform, improve its features, and provide benefits to its users, including influencers, token holders, and other members of the community. Because of course, if they want to connect influencers with the brands and they want to connect brands with the influencers, then first they have to get these brands and influencers on board, for which they require marketing and to further develop the platform and provide incentive for people to stay in the platform. Now overall, this model encourages the use of Chirpley token. It promotes token value, it appreciates its value, it provides benefits to all the members of the ecosystem, including influencers, brands, sponsors, token holders, and the Chirpley platform itself. Now let's take a look at some major announcements regarding Chirpley token, which will play an important role in the growth of this whole platform and also for the Chirpley token. Now the first announcement that we have about Chirpley, that it just confirmed their strategic partnership with Tech Lab Innovation Center and VDF Ventures, which basically paves this way to the Silicon Valley. And we know that this place has the highest amount of some incredibly big investors, which is exactly who you want to notice your project or the platform. And another major announcement is that they just got incubated by the famous IBC Group, which is a leading blockchain and technology advisory firm, which means that Chirpley will be utilizing their resources and support to position itself to take off. Now, the Chirpley token is listed on CoinMarketCap, Bybit, Maxi, ApeSwap, Babydoge, and CoinGecko. If you take a look at the CoinGecko, you can see that what its price is, current prices. I'm not sure what it will be when you will be watching this video, so make sure that you get the current price. And if you take a look at the market cap, right now it is sitting at a just over $1 million. Now, for a platform as developed as this, and a platform with this kind of services, that there are no other major competitors out there who are offering this thing, and this is something that people actually need. This is something that the brands need, the sponsor needs, this is what the influencers need, and this is what overall public really needs, especially when the pandemic started and there were more and more remote jobs that were created. Becoming influencers is something becoming more and more popular. This is something people want to do. So Chirpley is tapping into this market, which is really huge, and we have seen the statistics that this is going to be a multi-billionaire industry, which it already is, but it's going to go up to as big as $150 billion, $143 billion exactly by 2030. So it is a huge market, and it's just growing by the day. So you can just imagine. Right now, it is sitting at a $1 million market cap, which for a platform with a potential like this market cap is really, really minimal, because it is just going to take off. Now, if you imagine, if it just reaches, let's say, 100 million market cap, we're talking about 100x here. And it is even possible that if everything goes well, and with the right time and the right development and the growth, it may even reach $1 billion market cap. I mean, if meme coins can reach this amount, then of course a platform with this amazing utility can of course reach that at some point. So you can imagine the return that you will be able to get from this. This is just something to think about. So make sure you do that. But yeah, I think this is all of you guys in this video. I'm really excited to be, to give you guys this opportunity to take a look at this project. I'll give you guys all the links in the description, so make sure that you do that. If there's any way that you utilize this platform, you can do that. And if you just want to invest, if you want to get good return out of it, I think this is also a perfect place for that. So yeah, this is all of you guys in this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one shortly. So stay tuned.